Hey everybody, it's Pete with Pete's Rants and Reviews channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I haven't seen anything that I was really interested in reviewing. But as some of you are aware, I own a cleaning company in St. Louis, and obviously I'm going to be interested in any tool that might help me or my employees get the job done with ease and efficiency. I've already cut the top off this packaging to get into it because, these blister packets are terrible to get into. And I'd seen this tool before about 2 years ago, and I noticed something different, and this is why I purchased one. It has 33% more battery life in it, and I know it wasn't that impressive before because of its battery life. So what I'm going to do is get this sucker out and charge it up and take it to the ultimate test. I have a new account this weekend that I'm going to do an initial cleaning for, and I'm going to include some real footage and compare it to other cleaning devices of similar size and strength and let you know what I think. But as you can see, get in here, if I can get in here. The reason I decided to go ahead and buy it is because there are several models of scrubbers out there you can use in your house. And I like this because your hand is centered over top of the motor, whereas there's other ones where you hold a handle and your hand's way back here while the spinning motor is up front. Well, that's going to fatigue your hand and wrist, but if you can keep your hand centered over top, my theory anyway is that it's going to be able to give you more downforce. And it feels good. It's heavy. Dremel makes good stuff. I like Dremel. And obviously, it's metal. And then this outside casing is plastic. But it does not feel cheap in any way, shape, or form. And as you can see, you've got three brushes with it. This is a soft one, probably for more like the oven tops that they're showing, the glass tops. This is what I'm going to use it for the most of, this bristle brush, and then possibly this. But we'll get this open here, see what else is in here. Now this is more of an abrasive. This is definitely going to be great for some of the projects I have this weekend. I'm going to put them all through the test and show you what all it can do. And then you can decide for yourself if this is something that's going to work for your house or your business. Boy, these things are impossible to get into. Hang on a second. Okay, and we're back. It does come pre-charged. It made me jump, actually. And there's more pieces in the back of the packaging. This is the actual splash guard that you can put on. And there's a picture of it here. I'll use it this weekend and show you. But there's a picture you put on, so if you're not wanting to splatter all of your soap everywhere, it attaches there to keep things from flinging around. And then, of course, on the back side of the package was this part, and this is just the Velcro portion that will hold your little discs. And I'm telling you, that has some serious bite on it. It's not letting go. So far I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm happy with it. And then, of course, it has like a standard-looking cell phone type charger, a USB charger. You can charge it from your computer or just plug it in the wall like you would your cell phone. So, and your standard, like I said, USB port. I'm pretty impressed. This will be nice because I can charge this in my work truck, my work van. My employees could too. Shouldn't be a problem because all my crew has that charger in their car. So I will get back to you with some real footage of it cleaning some stainless steel, among other things. And I'm anxious to get going with this. I'm excited about it. And there you have it, folks. That's the shop sink, completely clean with the Versa by Dremel. It did a great job, and it was a lot less effort on my wrist and hand than a dollar store scrub brush. Thanks for watching. It's worth the money. That's my opinion. That's why I bought 3 more.